Hey there, now we're going to take a look at the My Orders dashboard from the Business Metrics menu on the Zonguru platform. The My Orders dashboard is designed to make finding your orders easy. Of course, Amazon doesn't always make it easy to find a specific order on the Seller Central platform, so we've put all the information you need right here at your fingertips. Now you can quickly and easily access details directly from your Zonguru login. For example, if you've had a product return or negative review and you want to learn more, you can quickly search using the order number or keywords, ASN, or any other details you have in this search bar at the top. Keep in mind, before you use this dashboard, you need to make sure you have an active seller account connected to your Zonguru login. If you need any help setting that up, please search help or reach out to support. Once the Seller Central account is connected, you will be able to see your orders in this dashboard. You can filter your orders by date range, you can search per market, and you can even look at all orders pending or shipped. You can see that the details provided include the type of product that has been purchased, the order details, and the ASN. You've got the date and the buyer location and the quantity that was purchased, as well as your profit on the sale, less Amazon fees and charges. Now, there are 3 actions you can take on each order using these 3 buttons to the side. If you click on the first one, you will be navigated to the Seller Central order page. The second button will let you email this buyer directly from Seller Central messaging. And the third button will blacklist this customer from receiving any future communications. If you need any help using this tool, please reach out to support or click on the Need Help button in the top right-hand corner.